Well, hi guys. So this is me, Ron. So I'm in the phone booth from the, we had it here in the city of Leominster for quite a while. Today's Wednesday. It's a gorgeous day. It's 50 degrees. You're getting there pretty close. So I decided to go out for a morning walk for about an hour. I'm in a local downtown area. I just wanted to let you know that thank you for all your prayers. My back is feeling pretty good today. I just got to stay off the treadmill and just do the light walking when I feel good enough to do walking. But I'm having a good week. Got 4 pounds of weight gain than I had this past month, or a week rather. I lost it, and I'm down to 262 as of this morning. So my goal at the end of the month was to get down to the 250s, and I only got 2 pounds to go before that happens. So I'm pretty confident in the next week I can lose 2 pounds. So I'm going to try to get out there and walking every day this week. They're calling for 50 degrees today. Sunday's supposed to be 50 and sunny. I did buy a pair of snow cleats, and we're going to go walking in the snow over there at the local real estate where I went all summer long. And so I don't take a chance of falling and hurting my back. But I just want to let you guys know it's going good. Please comment on my posts and let me know how things are going and stuff like that, because it really helps me. And subscribe to my YouTube channel, because it helps my other YouTubers. But anyways, I'm just showing you where I am. I'm in the phone booth in downtown Leominster. This beautiful sunny morning on Wednesday. Only a few more days to the end of February, and we're getting closer to spring, which I can't wait. But you guys stay safe, stay healthy, have a good day, have a good week, and remember, you guys are amazing.